everything got mixed up. But wait, something strange about to happen. Alright, let's get started. First, I pour the honey into the tube. Look how it sinks beautifully straight to the bottom. Next comes the dish soap. It sits right on the top of the honey, making a brand new layer. Here's a fun trick. If I pour the water before the oil, it will mix with the soap and make a bunch of bubbles. So, oil first. Then water. And look at that. The water slides under the oil, resting perfectly between the soap and the oil. And finally, alcohol. The lightest liquid of all, floating right at the very top. Our density column is complete. Density is measured by dividing mass by volume. Density just means how much stuff or mass is packed into a certain space. If a liquid is denser, like honey, it's heavier in the same amount of space, so it sinks. If it's less dense, like alcohol, it's lighter, so it floats on top. But density isn't the only thing. If two liquids can dissolve in each other, like water and alcohol, they won't stay in layers, they'll just mix together. But if they can't mix, like oil and water, they stay apart and each one forms its own layer. But here comes the most exciting part. Let's drop in some objects and see where they stop. The rock. The plastic. The peanut. The hazelnut. The piece of glasses. And the straw. And now for the finale, I flip the tube upside down. And the layers come back again. But this time, only 4 layers. Because the alcohol and water mix together. What a cool ending, right?